while this is a little surprising since Samsung is actually the #1 phone maker right now, it's not a secret that Apple is the brand that gains more attention, so it's easy to make the news just by picking on the iPhone father. As a result, every time I got the chance to try out a Huawei device in the last couple of years, I expected nothing but the best the company had to offer. Needless to say, it happened several times to be disappointed, even in the case of flagships. This time, I'm playing the safe card and not getting my hopes too high with the mid-range Huawei Mate 10 Lite, though things like edge-to-edge screen and 4 cameras can certainly have the potential to get me and other people excited. First and foremost, let me tell you one thing from the very beginning, I'm still not a big fan of Huawei's packaging because the way one needs to turn the box upside down to pull out the phone isn't only absurd, but it also creates additional risk of dropping the device to the ground. If we are to compare this with Apple's, although this would be a little unfair since it's a mid-range phone we're talking about here, it's worth mentioning that Cupertino itself has made subtle tweaks to its iPhone packaging with the iPhone 7 after several customers smashed their phones to the ground when opening the box. If the phone was previously the first thing you saw when unboxing the iPhone for the first time, there's now a new label that reads "Designed by Apple in California" and placed on top of the device to prevent accidents. Leaving this aside, the way the Huawei Mate 10 Lite feels in hand is a pretty surprising experience. While the back of the device reminded me of the Xiaomi Mi Note 4, especially in blue version, the front feels just as modern as on more expensive devices. The edge-to-edge display is what makes the whole thing special, with very small bezels at the top and the bottom to serve as the home of front-facing parts like camera, speaker, and microphones.